Dear Santa, my name is Bella and I am 9 years old. I hope you're doing great at the North Pole with the reindeers. This year I have tried really hard to be good. Well, at least most of the time at the school, I am learning a lot of things, especially my English classes at the corner. It's so amazing. I feel like a little explorer. I have been thinking about Christmas gifts, and of course, I have some made for myself. But you know what would maybe even happier? If you could bring something special for all the kids who might don't have as much I do. I'm talking about the corner. Do you know what? That's the place where the magic of learning English happens. I love it, and it makes me feel like I can speak to kids from all over the world. So Santa, could you bring a lot of fun for learning English to every boy and girl from the corner? It could be books, games, or a magical English spell to make it even more exciting. Thank you for making Christmas the best time of the year. I will leave cookies and milk for you, and carrots and water for the reindeers. Many hugs, Santa.